We decided we were going to shoot this short film in our short film boot camp.
And let me tell you, this boot camp was the most intense, most vigorous, most boot camp of all. We were forced to get up at the insane hour of 8 a.m. The worst part is that we weren't even given actual coffee. They brought in these 2 drill sergeants to come in and almost just slap us awake.
I had known about like the learning workshops that we were gonna do, but I didn't know about Paul and Kelly coming in for the like improv stuff, so that was really cool.